welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about something a new topic. Before we start a new topic, we should discuss about we should recap our before discussion. First we had done before generative AI. Second we have done no code evolution. Third we have done no code versus low code evolution. Fourth we have done beginner of low code beginner of low code tools. Third, fifth we will do world of AI code tools and innovative startup and embrace of technology build their business. Firstly, let us talk about AI no code tools. Technology has always been accompanied and learning curve and requiring an extensive programming knowledge and expertise. However, in a recent year, advancement in artificial intelligence have paved the way of no-code tools and democratized AI development. These tools empower the individual and organization without programming background to harness the power of AI. Imagine being able to build a AI model, the automated process without writing a single line of a code. Well, the precisely that what the AI no code tools offer. The companies like Google's Cloud, AutoML, Microsoft Azure, Cognitive Service, IBM, Walton Studio provide intuitive interface and drag and drop functionality to create a AI model. These tools allow user to train model for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and data analysis. Although a virtual interface, now let's shift our focus on startup have a successful leverage of no-code tools to build their business. Another inspiration startup, Khatabook, which is utilized to Zipper and re-own no-code automation platform. The streamline in operation of Khatabook offer a digital ledger system, a small business in India by leading in Zipper no-code compatibilized. These were able to automatic data entry and encourage this ladder with other business applications seamless. This allow Khatabook to scale rapidly, providing valuable service to their user. For example, highlight the automotive potential of no code in a startup ecosystem. They are lower the barrier of entry of aspiring entrepreneurs, enabling them to create a spontaneous application and AI-powered solution without requiring extensive coding knowledge. In conclusion, AI no-code tools have a revolution that we approach the technology and business development. They have opened door for individual and startup of innovative, creative and make meaningful impact without being limited by coding expertise, whether it building an AI model or launching startup of the possibilities are limited with no code tools. So let's embrace this technology's revolution and unlocked our potential by harnessing the power of AI no code tools. Together we build a future where innovative no bond. This why we tell that our future was AI. So, thanking you being supporting with me like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.